In this video, I'm going to show you several steps that hopefully fix low volume on AirPods Pro 2. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing I would recommend doing is simply making sure that your volume is actually turned up on your iPhone for your AirPods Pro 2. And you can use the rocker buttons on the left side, but you can also swipe down in the control menu. You should see the AirPods icon. Just make sure you're actually turning up the volume correctly. Now, if you've ensured that you're turning up the volume on your AirPods, the next thing I would recommend doing is simply restarting your iPhone, turn it off, and then turn it on again. You can quickly turn it off by opening the control menu, swiping down from the top right, and then holding down the power button and then sliding to turn it off. Then turn it back on, and that usually does fix issues like this. Now, if you're still having low volume on your AirPods Pro 2, the next thing I recommend doing is opening up the settings on your iPhone, and once in the settings, scroll down until you see Sound and Haptics. Once in Sound and Haptics, scroll down again, and at the bottom, you'll see Headphone Safety, select that. And then once in here, you'll see Reduce Loud Audio. Now, if this is turned on, it will limit the volume on your AirPods or any headphones you use on your iPhone. So what you can do is either adjust this volume or turn it off. Now, it is a safety feature, so I recommend leaving it on. So just try turning it up a little louder and see if that helps with the AirPods volume. I like to have mine at 85 though. Now, if after you've done that, you're still having issues with your AirPods volume, go back to the main page of the settings here. And then from the top, we just want to scroll down a little bit again and select Accessibility. Once in Accessibility, scroll down to the third section, and we want to select Audio and Visual. And then in Audio and Visual, select Headphone Accommodations. Now, you want to make sure this is turned on, then just make sure Balanced Tone is selected. And at the bottom here, we can slide this down to Strong. And as you can see, soft sounds will be boosted slightly, and this will just boost some of the sounds, and it may improve the volume on your AirPods Pro. Now, if you made the settings changes, there's two different steps we can do to try to fix the AirPods volume being low. And the first would be to just inspect the little hole right here where the sound comes out of. Make sure it's not too dirty or clogged. You can use maybe a Q-tip very carefully, and check the description. I have a link from Apple on how to clean these carefully. But if they're clean and that's not the issue, the next thing I would recommend doing is just resetting our AirPods and then reconnecting them to our phone. And we can easily do that by simply finding the button on the back of the AirPods and then holding it down, and you'll see that light. Once it starts blinking, let go, and then bring it close to our iPhone, and you'll see Connect come up. Go ahead and select Connect. It'll reconnect to your iPhone, and that should just fix any settings issues or things like that by resetting that connection. Once you've done that, your AirPods Pro 2 should have good volume. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.